Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the YCF Perfect Union Sonic Toothbrush. That is a budget-friendly sonic toothbrush in the market right now. It is $29.74 to be exact in Amazon. So we're gonna go see if this is worth the price. Okay, so you get a nice looking box and then you open it this way and then you get to see a manual that fell and then all these boxes here. So you get a toothbrush handle. Go see the toothbrush handle for now, right here. And okay. So this is what it looks like. Very nice handle, ergonomic at least. The power button is easy to hold. And then you get a charger base and 8 brush heads, which is pretty cool for that price point. I think that is worth the price. But we're gonna go see the other quality of the other parts of this toothbrush. So far, this is a pretty good quality. So that is a good news. Now let's go see the charging cable and a charging base. Please make it a USB-C because that is what we use now. And you know it is a newer model. If you see a USB-C, yes, this one is a USB-C, which is a good thing. And now the charging dock is here. Okay, it's pretty nice, same color as the toothbrush. So you just pop it in there. You cannot charge the toothbrush directly because there's nothing in there other than the charging base. Plugging in is super simple, user-friendly. And now let's go see what kind of toothbrush head it comes in. Again, this is 8 pieces. They are all the same as far as the listing says. So we're not gonna go look on the others. So as you guys can see, a nice bristle. It's not so hard and not so soft. And you guys can see the edges. I'm not sure if you guys can see the edges. It's not flat. And so I'm not sure if this is your kind of toothbrush head, but looks like it's pretty good. And it comes with a travel case. So that is a sweet thing. Put it, let's go try it on. So you just pop it in. I'm not sure why there is a gap. I prefer there is no gap, but try to push it. That's how far it goes. I'm not sure if that is intentional or unintentional on their part, but they should change it. But anyway, so let's go try to see if there is a charge. Oh, there is. So there are 4 modes. It says a clean, and then changing the mode is you just press white, polish, and you can hear the change in the vibration that way. And then the gum care. So there is the gum care. Pretty powerful. I wish I have water in here so you guys can see, but feeling wise on my skin, it's pretty good. It's pretty powerful compared to the other toothbrush that I have checked on the Amazon. This one is much better than the others. And then turning it off is pretty simple. You just hold it at least 2 seconds and then just press again and it turns on. And I don't know how long the charge is, but we're gonna see that next time. But for now, that is our unboxing and our initial review of the product. Do I think it's worth the price? I think it is because this is a pretty good one. It's not the slippery kind, the plastic kind, so that is a good thing. And I like the feeling of it. It's kind of like the silicone feeling, but it's not silicone. I'm not sure what kind of material it is. But that's that, and now with that I said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J. I hope you guys give this video a like for more videos like these, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.